Withdrawing funds from your PayPal account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully transfer your money to your bank account or another payment method. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the app and log in using your email and password. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to your balance. Once logged in, locate your account balance on the main dashboard. Click on your balance to view your available funds. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eShop.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Choose your withdrawal method. You will be prompted to select how you want to withdraw your funds. Options typically include transferring to a bank account or requesting a check. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts. Step 5. Confirm and complete the withdrawal. Review the details of your withdrawal, including the amount and the destination account. Once confirmed, click on the Submit or Confirm button to complete the transaction. After completing these steps, you will receive a confirmation of your withdrawal. Depending on the method chosen, it may take a few days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Always check your email for updates from PayPal regarding your transaction.